Hey guys, welcome back. Another quick video with the little backpacker shotgun. If you haven't seen them, I have a couple somewhat boring videos out there of my review of this Dominion Arms backpacker 12 gauge, 14-inch barrel, single shot, as you can see. And I really do take this thing everywhere. I stick it in my backpack. It folds up like that. And it goes in the backpack great. And I got this paracord sling on it. So once we're out somewhere, if we're somewhere banging around in the bush or whatever, I'll get it out of the backpack. It balances best with a muzzle down kind of carry. Like that. I mean, the thing only weighs, very fashionable, right? But it only weighs like 5 pounds, so it's not a hassle, and yet it feels quite solid. It's quite the skookum little unit. So anyways, enough of that, but yeah, the sling, a paracord thing, so it's perfect, as just sort of a emergency cordage deal to have it in the bag. And I think it was like $25. I'll look for the Amazon link for it. And anyways, we're just out, and I thought I'd take a few shots with it because it's no good if you can't hit anything with it. So I've got some Winchester slugs, some 12 gauge, you see it says 1600 feet per second supposedly, and 2 3/4 1 ounce slug. And we are about, let's see, we're a good 50 yards here from the little pile there, and I got a couple jugs down there. So I'm going to see if I can hit one with a slug, because, I'm not that great a shot, right? I'm not Micheluk or Hickok 45 or anything. But I'll try and hit a jug with a slug. And my wife has yet to try this thing, so actually I'll show you what I've got for her. I've got some of this stuff. 12 gauge, 1200 feet per second velocity, 1 1/8 ounce 8 shot. You guys can read the box, right? It says heavy lead load, and hopefully it's not too hard on her, because this thing is light and it does kick. But she's a good sport, so we'll see how that goes. She'll be fine. And so she's going to blast the other jug. We'll maybe move a little closer for that, just for some fun. So anyways, I got my ears on, camera ladies ready. I'll just grab a shell. Okay, so there's the puppy there, the 1 ounce slug. And let's see how this goes.
Ooh,
That go over it?
I think so.
Let's try that again. Oh!
Ooh,
To the left?
I think so. It's so hard to keep track.
Well, so far I can't hit anything with it.
Ooh, there you got it.
Wow. I winged it at least. Okay, we've moved up to about 25 yards, maybe a little more. And my wife is going to give it a go with that bird load, or the lead load, number 8s. All right.
She got it all right.
Well, that was fun, but not super satisfying. We moved a little, and we got another jug set up on a stump, and Mrs. WestCoaster is going to give it a blast from a little closer, just for the fun of it. So anyways, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time. There we go. We got another jug up on the stump. Ha ha!